make sure when you see Diasha coming through that drive-thru, make sure my stuff is fresh. Okay? With another video. We are back with yet another fast food review. My name is Diasha, and today we are trying the Popeyes chicken nuggets. As y'all already know, we made a whole big situation as the United States as a whole. I still can't believe y'all act like that, but it was a whole big deal when the chicken sandwiches came out. Everybody was talking about how good they were. You had to try it. So when I saw the chicken nuggets come out, I had to give them a try. So let's hop right into getting some Popeyes chicken nuggets. You smiling for the camera. Oh. Good job, Chase. He actually smiled for the camera. So we are here. Uh-oh, what's going on? Why are the windows open now?
What's it? What is it?
You want a Popeyes chicken sandwich? You want a Popeyes chicken sandwich?
No.
What you want?
Chicken.
You want chicken? What kind of chicken you want?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken would you like?
I want the brown chicken.
The brown chicken?
Yeah.
Alright then. Okay. So I'm gonna give the Popeyes chicken nuggets.
And I want the brown chicken nugget. I get this.
You want chicken nuggets too?
Yes.
Or you want a sandwich?
I just want the brown chicken.
Okay, you just want brown chicken. That's it. Okay.
And I want lemonade too.
Oh, lemonade too. Look what Chase doing to the car.
Here, your money. $20 pieces.
You want how many?
Yes, I want to have many pieces.
Many pieces. I thought you said 20.
I want 5 pieces.
5 pieces
Yeah.
of nuggets?
It's 5 nuggets.
Okay, 5 nuggets. They say we gotta wait. And you say you want to eliminate the drink. And the brown chicken. Can I have a 8-piece chicken nugget?
Just so you know, all we have right now is bone-in chicken. They do not have nuggets, sandwiches, or tenders.
I know you lied. Alright y'all, so I just came in to let you guys know what is happening. So we went to one Popeyes and it was they wasn't closed. They didn't have any chicken nuggets, they didn't have any chicken sandwiches, they didn't have anything but regular fried chicken. So we are on our way to another Popeyes with hopes they do have the infamous Popeyes chicken nuggets. A piece of brown chicken and a lemonade. Ooh, they say new nuggets, new nuggets, new nuggets.
It is lemonade.
Yeah, that was lemonade.
Empty.
It's empty. So now you need what? More?
More lemonade.
More lemonade.
No, more lemonade.
Okay.
It's raining.
It is raining.
So I have,
Ooh.
I have this.
What's? Look, show the camera.
I have this. What is it?
Oh, this is applesauce.
Oh,
You eat that?
no.
Want me to eat it for you?
But you can eat it.
I can eat it.
But you can eat it.
Okay. Get your chicken nuggets.
Oh, what a juice.
Yeah, it's just fine. You got lemonade too?
Yes.
I got chicken.
Can I have napkin, please?
How it taste? How they taste? Good?
Yeah.
Would you recommend them? Alright, y'all, so I have the goods. Here they are. My box came a little janky. Look at it, I don't even want to close. They're not off to a good start. So these are the Popeyes chicken nuggets. Alright. Alright, y'all, so I have the Popeyes chicken nuggets. This should not, can y'all see them? Yes, y'all can. Oh, ah! Let me pick them up. I'm losing my chicken nuggets. Oh, I lost one. I lost one and it actually fell in the bag that I got it in, thankfully. So, I saw the commercial for the Popeyes chicken nuggets and I said, you know what? Let's give it a shot. What will it hurt? So I have the Popeyes chicken nuggets. I ordered it with blackened ranch, but it didn't come in my bag. So I don't know. I guess they just didn't give it to me. So let's do it. This is how it looks. All right, here is my first taste test. Everybody else been smacking on their food on our way to our location to film, and I was like, I'm gonna be strong. I'm gonna be strong. Y'all saw Chase, he was back there like, D, why aren't you eating? Why aren't you eating? So I'm here trying to explain to a 3-year-old that D cannot be eating because she has to eat for the camera. He was just like, okay, here, D, get one of my nuggets. I was just like, no, it's okay. But here we are, D eating for a camera. So let's do our first taste test. So it looks like it's big too. All right. Okay. Okay, so what I taste. Whew. So what I taste is, it's the regular Popeyes batter, right? I've never had Popeyes chicken tenders. Usually when I go to Popeyes, I'm a girl that gets me a 2-piece with a side and a drink with red beans and rice as my side. So I've never had the nuggets ever. But what I taste was that normal chicken batter, but better, because sometimes you know, when they fry chicken at Popeyes, the batter just comes right off. They have that batter stuck to it. When I say up and stuck, that's another example of up and stuck. And I thought that it was gonna be a little spicy, because you guys know we went to the Popeyes in New Orleans and it was supposed to be like a top tier Popeyes. And honestly, it was underseasoned from our usual Popeyes. So that one, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Now I know, like with a Popeyes chicken sandwich, I tried it and I was like, I know y'all ain't had me wait 2 hours in the line to get this sandwich, and here it is. But for the nuggets, now if they hot and they fresh out that grease, and you got the right dipping sauce, you might be on to something. Popeyes, make sure when you see Diasha coming through that drive-thru, make sure my stuff is fresh, okay? I didn't say it this time, but if I would have said it, they would have been up there. Let me give it another try. Let me give it another try, because maybe that one was just up there. So another perk, here I am, focus on, there I go. So another perk of the chicken nuggets is that they have like a chicken tenderloin, so it's not dry. Y'all know how you have a chicken breast and if it's overcooked, you're like, girl, who wants to eat that? But with this, no, these are a little cold, but it's definitely white meat. Sorry y'all, my camera died, but I am back. But what I was saying was, it's perfectly seasoned, it's definitely white meat, and if I had that blackened ranch, I feel like those tenders would be top tier. Now Popeyes, now this what y'all need to be. Don't act like you're at by the chicken sandwich. Don't act like that. But these are pretty good. I would say if I came back to Popeyes, I would order those. I got an 8 count, and I think that's more than enough, because as you guys saw, this size, these things are huge. All right, Popeyes, I don't have a lot to give y'all today. Taste, I would give it like a 8. I mean, it's nothing to just be like, oh my God, you gotta get it. But I will say, if you guys have time and you need something new to try on your lunch break, try the chicken nuggets, because they are pretty good. Oh, look at them people getting out of their car. Yeah, they went on about their business. They not worried about Diasha. So, with all of that being said, let me know in the comments if you plan on trying the chicken nuggets. And if you have tried the chicken nuggets, let me know if you like them down in the comments. We have officially hit 6K subscribers. Yes, and I've already selected the people who are going to get the gift. We are working on getting their stuff out and shipped to them. And don't worry, we are gonna choose new winners when we reach a new milestone, which is 10K subscribers. So if you want to be in that number, okay, make sure you are commenting on every video you watch, so I can see you, so we can see each other. Comment. I always give you guys something to comment, so just comment what I asked you in the video. Doesn't have to be anything extravagant. You could just put a red heart, you could put a purple heart, you can put whatever you want in the comments. Be nice though. So make sure you're continuing to support, because we have selected a few winners from the last giveaway, and we are still working to get them their stuff out. So with all that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for continuously supporting your girl. And make sure you're liking, commenting, and subscribing. and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.